Apps affairs show you.
How to use Documents app for iPhone to download music. Follow these easy steps to easily download any music using the Documents app. First of all, launch the Documents app and now tap on Browse, and here tap on this box and open the website where you want to download a music. I'm opening pixabay.com, and in this website tap on music, and here you will get lots of copyright free music. So let's download these music. So I'm tapping on this download icon, and here you can change the music name, and save to you can change the location, then tap on done. And once the music downloaded, go to the files, my files option, and go to inbox, and here you will get the downloaded music. So this is how we can easily download any music using this Documents app on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.